we are going to see representation of a set. So in last video we saw what is a set. You understand the concept of set also, right? Now we are going to see what representation of a set. So how many ways we can represent a set? 3 ways we can represent a set. What is the first form? Descriptive form. What is that? Descriptive form. Descriptive form. Next form is roster form or a tabular form. Roster form or a tabular form. We can say this one as a listing method also. This is a listing method. Okay, and last one is set builder form. Set builder form or rule method. Rule method or rule form. Okay, first one is descriptive form, second one is roster form or tabular form, we can say otherwise listing method. Here third one is set builder form or rule form. First we will see one by one. First one, descriptive form. What is descriptive? A set we can describe in a word. A set we can describe in a word. A set is described in word. A set we can describe in words. For example, first I explained for sets, right? A set between a set, here I explained, right, as a set of numbers from 1 to 10. This is, I am describing here word only, right? This is a word. So this is a descriptive form. So here I am going to give you one more example. See carefully. The set of all vowels. The set of all vowels in English alphabet. The set of all vowels in English alphabets. See here I am describing set in a word. This is a word, right? This is a word I am using here for describing set. Okay, this is descriptive form. Another example. See, the set of whole numbers. The set of whole numbers. So, see here, we can say another form also here. The whole number, it starts with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that also. But instead of that, what I am using here? Words I am using here for describing set. Yes, good. First form is descriptive form. A set is described in a word. So here you just see the example. This is the descriptive form method. Example, the set of all vowels in English alphabet. Instead of this vowels, I can write A, E, I, O, U also, no? So that is not a descriptive form. So we should describe only in words. We should describe only in words. வெறும் நம்ம வார்த்தைகளால் மட்டும்தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும், இந்த ஃபார்மை நம்ம ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ண முடியும். வார்த்தைகளை யூஸ் பண்ணி எழுதுறது மட்டும்தான் டிஸ்கிரிப்டிவ் ஃபார்ம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் we will move to roster form or tabular form. இப்போ இந்த ஃபார்ம் உங்களுக்கு நல்லா புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் we will move to roster form. What is roster form? Roster form or listing method சொல்லியிருக்கேன். So listing method. Here all the elements here in a set by listing elements, by listing in a set we can, in a set by listing elements is a roster form or a listing form. So we can write a set by using listing elements. So for example, here what we saw here, the set of all vowels in English alphabet, right? Here the set of whole numbers. So instead of this words, I am going to listing the elements. So what is the vowels? What is the vowels, ma? A, E, I, O, U, right? I am going to give this set of name of the set A, and if you are writing set, what you should use? Curly bracket, and instead that, what are the elements here? A, E, I, O, U. What is the A, E, I, O, U? It is a vowel. Instead of words, I am using here elements. Here I am using here elements. This is roster form or a listing form. One more example, right? So what example we saw previously? The set of whole numbers. Instead of this words, I am going to write elements here. What are the numbers? Whole number. It denotes W, right? So put curly bracket, open curly bracket. It starts with, whole number starts with 0. Whole number starts with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, going on. See here, if you are putting dots like this, it is called going on, or we can say this one is a ellipsis. Okay, so this is ellipsis or going on symbol. Okay, so roster form you know very well right now. What are the forms we saw? Descriptive form, a set is described in words. For example, the set of all vowels in English alphabet, the set of whole numbers. Okay, so we are describing here set is a words. Here you just see here, a set is described. A set is described by listing elements. A set by listing elements only we are describing here. So first example, what example I shown here? What example? What is a vowel? A, E, I, O, U. This is the element present in vowels, right? So A, I given the name of the set also, and I put here what? Curly bracket. While starting the set, we should open the curly bracket and A, E, I, O, U. What are the elements present, and close the curly bracket. Whole number also I used this. What is the third form? Third form is set builder form. This is second form. Now third form. Okay, third form, set builder form or a rule form. Set builder form or a rule form. Okay, so in this method, all the elements are described by rules. All the elements are described by a rule. So we will see what are the conditions or rules we are applying here. Okay, I am going to write. See, first one, the symbol. In this method we should use this. This is very, very important symbols. What is a symbol? The symbol like this colon or slash, like this line. Okay, it stands for, we can say the symbol like such that. What is a symbol? These two symbols called as such that. Okay, such that. Now I am going to show some example. Listen. First, before starting, set, what we should represent? Name of the set. I am going to take here a set and open the curly bracket. X such that X. This is such that. Okay, this is such that X such that X is a vowel in English alphabets. Okay, so instead of this listing the elements, I used here some conditions or rules here. Okay, see here, X such that X. So here instead of X I can put that element here. A, E, I, O. A is a vowel in English alphabets. E is a vowel in English alphabets. So I can take X instead of X, A, E, I, O, U. So only I wrote here X such that X is a vowel in English alphabets. So in the set builder formula, rule formula, some rules நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றதுனால தான் இதுக்கு நம்ம என்னன்னு சொல்றோம், ரூல் ஃபார்ம்னே சொல்றோம். என்ன ரூல்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணோம்னா, இந்த சிம்பிள் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். ஒன்று வந்து இந்த மாதிரி டாட்ஸ் வச்ச சிம்பிள்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம், இல்லை லைன் போட்டு. இதுவும் இது ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே என்ன பேருனா சச் தட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஓகே, clear children? Now I will give you one more example for this set builder form. Okay, now I am going to take B. The name of the set is B. And see here, X such that X. நான் சொன்னேன்னா அந்த டாட்ஸ் போட்டுக்கலாம், இல்லை இந்த லைனும் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். பட் இதுக்கு பேர் என்னதான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன் நான்? Such that. Okay, X such that X is a whole number. இப்போ நல்லா லிசன் பண்ணணும். இப்போ அந்த மூணு மெத்தட் என்னென்ன மெத்தட் நம்ம சொன்னோம்? ஒன்று டிஸ்கிரிப்டிவ் ஃபார்ம், ரோஸ்டர் ஃபார்ம், செட் பில்டர் ஃபார்ம். அது என்னென்னன்றதை நீங்கள் ஆல்ரெடி இது வந்து வேர்ட்ஸில் நான் ரெப்ரசென்ட் பண்ணேன். இது லிஸ்டிங் எலமெண்ட்ஸு. இது நான் சம் ரூல்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்ணேன், சச் தட்ன்ற ரூல் யூஸ் பண்ணி போட்டிருக்கேன். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ. வி வில் சி எக்ஸசைஸ் சம் இன் நெக்ஸ்ட் வீடியோ.